Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can fill a shape with fill colors on CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. So head over to your document on CorelDRAW. I will go with this one here with this circle. You let me make it a full circle. And as you can see, it only features the stroke color, right? So it's basically transparent inside. To change that, either pick one of these colors here, or you may click into this button, fill color, for example, and then go through these settings and edit the fill. You can, for example, choose a uniform fill, gradient color, and so on and so forth. I will go uniform or solid. Choose your color palette here. Let me go for RGB and then pick your color. You can also customize it here. Where's the color picker? Click into OK. And now we got a full green circle with a green fill color. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.